There are 3 indicators that we are looking to install today on your Thinkorswim platform. You should have them in your download folder. After you click and unzip them, you will find these 3 text documents here. Let's start with this indicator. Whatever text document it pulls up in, you can copy and paste. And now click this beaker here, Edit Studies. Click Create, and now we paste in this field. Name it here, whatever you would like to name it, and click OK, and apply. This study will now appear on the candlesticks. 2 more to go. Same process. This time we will click the volume profile. This is one that exists on your platform, but it is very confusing if you do not have the proper specifications. This will allow you to pull it up just the way that it needs to be. Same thing, edit studies, create, copy and paste, and name it what you would like. Okay, there it is. And the final third, Anchored VWAP. Same steps, copy and paste, create, paste here, and click OK. You should now have the layout here. As one final thing to do, if you go into the top right here on these 9 squares and click Save Grid As, you can name it and click Save. Now you can shift between different types of layouts. I just named this one New 123, and now you can immediately pull up those 3 indicators anytime you want.